Hello and not so good morning. It's like 1 o'clock, but I'm gonna start this vlog for today because we're not gonna waste the day. We had a kind of productive morning though. We went and picked up my car because I was getting it worked on this morning. So it was ready, so I went and picked it up. So I got up at like 7:30. So I did get up at a decent time. And then after I picked up my car, I did a little Target trip, which I'm going to show you what I got from Target. But then I came home and laid around for like 3 hours, and then I took a nap. But we're not going to waste today, even though it's 1 o'clock. I have a lot to do today, so let's get started. Let me show you what I got from Target. So I originally went to Target for one thing, and you can never walk out of Target with just one thing. So what I originally went for was a new planner, because my planner is up in July, because that's the kind of planner I get. I don't get the ones from January to December. But I got this one. It's the Day Designer planner, but it just looks, I've had a Day Designer before, but this is what like the pages look like, so I'm excited to see how this works. You can do like a schedule for the day, and then like to-do list, and then there's a place for notes and stuff like that. But I'm excited to try this planner out. The last one I had was like a blue sky one that I had gotten from Target, and I've had Day Designers before, but excited to try this one out. And then I got some new Sharpie highlighters because I want to use them in my new planner. I also might use my mild liners, but I just got a set of these because I liked that it had like little pastel colors in it, so I got those. And then I got a new claw clip because I don't know where my big one went. I've looked everywhere and I couldn't find it, so I got one of these, and I've never had like this shape before, so I wanted to try it out. And then I got some little mini ones because that's how I put my hair half up, because I don't like using ponytail holders because they like rip your hair out when you take them out. So I got a little pack of these. And then this is basic. I got some cotton swabs because we were out. And then the last thing I got was the Sunbum Cool Down lotion for like summer. If you get like a burn, there's like aloe in it or whatever. And we were out from last year when I got burnt for the first time already this year. So I got some of that. The first thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a to-do list over there. Okay. So we're gonna make a to-do list on things I need to do. Don't mind the fact that this is like a mess. We're not even gonna talk about it. It's on this cleaning and to-do list. So the to-do list of the day is not very big because of this cleaning list being so big. I don't need to make my daily to-do list so big. Things I want to get done today are school stuff, doing at least one of these cleaning tasks that I've written down. Laundry is a big one on the to-do list, and I want to get my bullet journal spreads for June done because it's June 7th and I haven't done them yet. I did finish my May spreads though. Will I show you those? I don't know. If you want to see my bullet journal spreads, follow me on TikTok because I try to be consistent on posting on there with that. But let's get cracking on this to-do list. Alright, y'all, so I got my basic layout for my bullet journal done. It's all just done in pencil still, but we are going to put the fun stuff away and do some homework. I am taking summer classes this year, so need to get working on that. I have stuff due every Monday, so I like to get a little bit of a head start because I have Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays off, and then I work the rest of the week. So I want to get some of that like catched up on and like a little tiny bit ahead so that I don't have to worry about it while I'm trying to do work too. Okay, so it's been quite some time since I last updated you. It is 9:40 right now, but I've just been like hanging out, doing laundry, having a really chill kind of day, doing homework. So, which is the last clip you saw was when I first started doing homework, so I've been doing homework for a little while now. But on the to-do list was to get one of my cleaning tasks of my big list done for today, so we're gonna do that now before I start getting ready for bed. So this is my like bench that goes, that's like my end of the bed bench. It's currently full of crap. It's like one of the easier things, in my opinion, to get done on the list, and one of the things that I've kind of been putting off. So we're gonna do this tonight to hopefully get a break in on the cleaning list that I've given myself. So let's start doing that. This is the finished product. What it's currently looking like. It's much more organized than it was, believe me. It was like a pile of stuff just like thrown in there. Like, I now have a pile of stuff on my floor that I have to deal with, but we're not going to worry about that today. It is much better than it was, and we're giving it a it's done, because I don't have room anywhere else for like the crafting stuff. I have a textbook in there that's in a binder. I don't really have anywhere else to put that stuff, so it's living right in here until I either find a different way to organize it or move out. It'll be what it is. But yeah, so that's currently what I'm doing. I just finished that, so that marks off 3 things on the to-do list out of the 4. I haven't finished my bullet journal spreads, and I don't know if I'm gonna get that done tonight or not. But solid effort. I'm calling it a good day if I got 3 out of the 4. 3 out of 4 is good enough for me. So I'm probably going to take a shower and head to bed, but I will talk to y'all in the morning. Hello, and again, not so good morning. I woke up early and then went back to sleep today. I just wasn't really feeling it today. I don't know. I don't work until later, and that always throws my days off. But anyway, I've made coffee. It's like 12:30 right now. But I'm awake, and I don't have to leave the house until like 4:30 to go to work. So we are going to pick up where we left off yesterday, doing some homework and finishing up the laundry, because I did not finish the laundry yesterday, but it did get started, so that was good on that part. But I am going to start doing some homework, and then we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna do laundry probably up until I have to go to work. I'll end up probably putting the laundry away, but we'll see. It's on the to-do list. I am very cold this morning, so I don't know. It's nice out today, but it's not as warm as it has been, which is kind of annoying. So I'm very cold. But since, you know, we laid in bed for so long, we need to get started on all of the things I want to get done today. So we're going to start by making another to-do list like we did yesterday. Okay, so we now have a to-do list. This is like the worst spot for me to have these for you guys to be able to see them, but it is what it is. So on the to-do list, we have finish my chapter 1 notes, finish laundry, my bullet journal spreads. And I did put a cleaning task up here. And like I said yesterday, getting 3 out of the 4 of the things on this list done is good enough for me. But I did put one of the cleaning tasks on here. Just moved it over. So we'll see what we get done, but let's start some schoolwork. Hi, so we're not gonna mind the state that I'm in currently, but I just realized that I never ended this vlog. Essentially all I did for the rest of the day was homework, go to work, come home, go to bed. So very boring day, but yeah, so I hope y'all like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.